welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today I have a super quick video for you. So if you want to see what I've got, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So I got a free beauty box from Priceline here. I am a Pink Diamond member, and I think it was if you spent $50 on skincare and makeup, then you got this free box of goodies. So I thought I would unbox it quickly with you guys and see what we've got. It is the Kind Collective, which I think is absolutely adorable. So first you get these two little brushes here. Would be good for traveling as well, and they do have on the end there, it says the Kind Collective. Then I have a Kind Collective lip balm, and this is a fresh watermelon scented with coconut oil, avocado oil and shea butter, and it is 12 mils. It just looks like this. The third item I got here is a lip scrub. So this is a fresh watermelon scented lip scrub as well. So this is what it looks like. Oh, that smells really nice. So it is a bright pink inside, and it definitely smells like watermelon. It tastes like a candied watermelon. The next thing I got here is in a package. Now, I have a feeling this might be a headband, maybe? Open it up. So it comes like this. Yes, it is. Okay, so it's just this cute little like nude headband, and it says the Kind Collective on it. It does have the Velcro back on there as well. I'm going to pop it back in its bag because I might pop this in a giveaway. I've got a lot of headbands now for when I do my skincare and my makeup and stuff, so I don't necessarily need this one. So I'll just pop it all back in there for you guys. The next item is this Kind Collective affirmation set, and I think this is so adorable. So it's a little packet, and I'm just trying to take this little piece of paper off, and it literally says saving trees are made from bamboo paper. And then let's just grab a random one. All right, so this one says I stay close to people who feel like sunshine. And it's like this cute card there. Okay, so there's a total of 12 of these, but I think this is so cute, and you can always keep reusing them, or once you've used them and you remember all of them, then maybe you can pass it on to someone else who would really like it. But I think that's really cute because, you know, I'm all about, you know, self-love, confidence and stuff. That's the whole reason why I started this channel, was to help me with my confidence and self-love. And whilst I'm not 100% yet, I've definitely gotten a lot better. But things like this is definitely things that help me. So I love that they have this in this box. And then the lucky last thing is actually an eyeshadow palette. So it's the Color Theory eyeshadow palette in Golden Bronze. Now I'm going to keep the plastic on this as well. So it's this cute like nude packaging. It's got Kind Collective on the front there. And then it has a little mirror and then all of these colours in there. So I'm just keeping the plastic on it. But I think I'm going to pop this in a giveaway for you guys as well. This is absolutely adorable. I do love it. It has 3 mattes in there and the rest are shimmers. But I have a lot of nude like eyeshadow palettes already, so I don't need it myself. And I think that'd be really cute to throw into one of your giveaways. But I thought this was a super cute small little box, and I thought I would share it with you guys. I really like that they did this, and that it was, you know, all to do with, you know, self-love and confidence and, you know, affirmations and stuff. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this. I hope you enjoyed this, a really short video. I just thought I'd share with you guys because it was really cute. But if you did like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Bye!